Welcome to the channel, everybody. Super excited because today we're going to be going over the steps of one of my favorite meals to cook on the Weber kettle grill, tri-tip roast. Let's get started. Okay guys, I just wanted to give you a quick tip if you're wondering how we're going to light the chimney. That's how you do it. Take a little piece of this right here. All right, now we got the chimney smoking and rolling. Let's go ahead and get some of these hickory wood chips pre-soaked in a glass of water, ready for the grill. All right, so let's cover what we have on the menu today. Starting off, we have baked potatoes. We got some corn on the cob, of course, and 2 garlic cloves. Guys, make sure that you stay to the end. We're gonna teach you a little trick, a little hack for your garlic cloves. Let's go. Let's make sure we cover the seasonings as well. We have steak and burger by Famous Dave's. We have your Grill Mates Montreal steak, some black pepper, a little bit of garlic salt, garlic powder. Finish her off with some onion powder. Make sure you pat it in there, guys. Give her a nice rub down. Same thing, we're gonna start off with that Famous Dave's steak and burger, money. A little bit of that. Come back with some of that Grill Mates Montreal steak. Bam. We're gonna skip the black pepper this time, a little garlic salt. Good morning. Garlic powder. Amazing. Finish her off with some onion powder again. Boom. Magic. Come back, slap her down. So we're looking good, seasoned up. Now we're gonna let her sit in the fridge for 30 minutes. Okay, now with these baked potatoes, we gotta make sure to get these in early. We're gonna throw these in the oven at 425 for about an hour. Little trick to speed up the process. Let's go ahead and hit these with the fork. Like I said, this is gonna speed up the process. Get these bad Larrys ready to go. We're waiting for that oven to heat up. I wanted to show you guys this little trick with these garlic cloves. Go ahead, cut off about a quarter down. Make sure you expose all those guys. Same thing with this one. We got that salt and pepper. Make sure we only use vegetable oil or olive oil. That's it. Okay, so if you're wondering why I have this sitting here, we're gonna go ahead and use this as a little separation apparatus. That way we can keep all the coals on this side for direct heat. This side we're gonna keep clean for indirect heat. We got our coals in, we're gonna go ahead and use these utensils. Even it out. Even out these coals, don't get burned. Okay, so now you can see what I mean about this. Direct heat on the right. We got our indirect heat over here. Let's make sure we check up on these wood chips. The reason why I soak these early, guys, is because when we put these in the fire or on the coals, they'll burn a lot quicker if you don't soak them. So again, little hack for you guys. Pre-soak your wood chips. These are hickory. That way they last longer, get more smoke. All right, let's get these garlic cloves on the grill. We're gonna set these down on the indirect heat side. Let them chill. Baked potatoes ready to go. Into the oven. You could boil these, but we're gonna put them on the grill. Try and get them on before the tri-tip too. All right, let's get that corn macabre on. Indirect heat. Almost ready for that. All right, so let's leave it on this side for about, call it 8 minutes. We're gonna flip it over, do another 8 minutes just to get that sear going. And then I'm gonna make room so we can move this on the indirect side. We'll throw on some wood chips and let this thing smoke. And we're just gonna let her sit, guys, on this open flame, get that nice sear going. Okay, make sure we keep our flames down. We don't want any flames. Ooh, looking good. Look at that sear. Look at that. Would you look at it? Look at the sear. All right, so it turns out 8 minutes is way too long. Try 3. Put her to the indirect heat side. Another flip. We're just gonna let this puppy sit and cool. Get some of that smoke. We're gonna get these wood chips on. Get that smoke action rolling. All right, we're gonna get a few of these hickory wood chips on the top side of the grill. Cap her up. And look at that hickory roll. Unreal. Look at that. She's chugging. She's smoking and rolling. All right, these wood chips aren't gonna last forever, even though they're soaked in water. So we're gonna have to come back maybe every 10-15 minutes, reapply. Hit her with some of that W sauce. Just rehydrate that meat. Come back and get some of these wood chips in here. The rest of them. Boom. All right, we're still looking pretty rare. this W sauce. Cap her up. All right, make sure we're sitting about 400 right on the dot. Right about 400. It's time to get that meat. Wait. Okay. Good. Back to these garlic cloves. Look at that dessert.